Hello, this is my review of the HERZO mini rotary tool. This is also a cordless rotary tool, so it runs off a battery charge. This rotary tool has 3 RPM settings, 5,000 RPM, 10,000 RPM, and 15,000 RPM. It's not the most powerful rotary tool, however, it is inexpensive, it's cordless, and I just really wanted one to do some possible engraving and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay. Alrighty. Alright. So here's the rotary tool in itself. It is a cordless. It is charged via a micro USB. To turn it on, actually I haven't even charged it yet, so let's see if it even turns on. Press it once for the 5,000 RPM, and then one more time for the 10,000 RPM, and a third time for 15,000. So there seems to be some charge. Besides that, it comes with a little toolbox full of tips, charging cable, and one of the main reasons I got this is since I wanted to do some engraving, I wanted some stencils. And it came with some stencils, so I'm not the artsiest person. My handwriting sucks, so this is going to help me out big time. And it's another stencil for shapes if you're into that type of thing. And lastly, instruction manual. Okay, so let me go ahead and charge it up a little bit and do some testing. So as a test run, I just tried to do a stencil of an A. Not bad. It's going to require some more practice. This is just an old laptop aluminum case that I had that I no longer use. So basically all I did was take the stencil and attempt to go over it. I used the highest setting. So this is the 15,000, and now I'm just going to try the M. Okay, looks a little better. However, again, I'm not the greatest. However, with some practice, I hope to get this down, and maybe I could find some use for some of these other tools here. It comes with some other bits here. Alright, so this tool comes with various bits. This is just a nylon brush for brushing things. This is a one-piece mandrel for sanding bands. So basically you put the sanding paper on it so you could sand things. And then it comes with 2 sandpapers. I'm not exactly sure what the grit on it is, but you could always buy your own. So it also comes with some diamond tipped bits, one with a rounded edge. Let's see if you can see that. one with a rounded edge and one with like a flat edge for various engraving. It also comes with grinding stones for grinding, and I'm not 100% sure what these are, but these are what the website calls collet. I'm guessing maybe it could be used as an extension. Oh, so I know what it is. It's this piece right here. So if you want to swap that out for some reason. Oh, it's a different size. So this one is for larger bits, and these are for smaller bits. Okay. So in case you get any other bits or tips that require a smaller collet, that's what this one does. And that's about it.